Hey y'all, welcome to Hot Chocolate Chat. Today's drink is a Starbucks Venti hot chocolate because. And did y'all notice how like puffy and like the bags under my eyes? Like, are they going on a trip? I got enough sleep last night. According to my Fitbit, I did. I got the 8 hours in, but I don't know, I just look tired today. And I don't know if y'all know this or not, but I'm actually 5 foot tall, and so we went to an event today and we took a group picture, and I seriously look like I'm in 2nd grade. So make sure you stop by my YouTube channel later today, Side of Awesome 5, and I'll insert a picture into the video so you can see how short I am. But I was just looking at the group picture and I felt like, we represent the Lollipop Guild, the Lollipop Guild. And I'm not quite sure about the hand motions that I just did, and I'm also not sure why I didn't choose to. Did the ballerinas have a song? Okay, I just looked it up, and we represent the Lullaby League, the Lullaby League. Sorry. And I just watched Wizard of Oz not too long ago, but when I was thinking of being short, I thought of the Lollipop Guild. Okay, and I just have to tell you guys what I Googled this morning. Not sure if you've ever thought about this. For some reason, I was thinking about typewriters, and I thought to myself, what do typewriters look like in different countries, like Russia, Mexico? They have to have different keys because Russian letters, and they're not the same as English letters. And I was really wondering if they had a different keyboard for Spanish, because like there's an N and then there's an Nye, which has the little squiggly line over it. So how does that work out for them? Like, do they have to go back and do a squiggly line? I don't know. I didn't get a good answer from Google, so that's what I was thinking about this morning. So the fact that I'm short and wondering about keyboards in other countries. And I'm not short, I'm concentrated awesome. I'm fun-sized. I'm short. Okay, so don't forget, this is the interactive part of the video where you respond back to me and let me know what you're thinking. Are you Team Lullaby League or Lollipop Guild? What should I do about these bags under my eyes? What do you think about typewriters in other countries? Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. So wherever, I think it's over there. And share with your friends. I'm trying to get 500 subscribers. No, seriously, that was it for today. So, Lullaby League or Lollipop Guild, bags under my eyes, typewriters in other countries, let me know. And if you want to stalk me on Snapchat, it's Side of Awesome. On Instagram, YouTube, and Twitter, it's Side of Awesome 5. But just don't stalk me in real life, though, because that's creepy.